The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE has made its debut in the smartphone market, boasting a range of impressive features that cater to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Priced at $549.99, this unlocked Android device comes equipped with 128 GB of storage and a 1-year warranty, making it an appealing choice for those looking for a reliable and robust smartphone. The launch bundle offers an Amazon gift card and double the storage, enhancing the value proposition for early adopters. With an offer that ends on September 21st, potential buyers are encouraged to take advantage of this enticing deal. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 FE is its large 6.7-inch display, which promises a big, bright, and smooth visual experience. Whether you are scrolling through social media, watching videos, or engaging in gaming, the immersive screen ensures that every interaction is visually captivating. The smoothness of the display enhances the overall user experience, making it a delight for those who spend extended periods on their devices. The combination of size and clarity positions the Galaxy S25 FE as a strong contender in the crowded smartphone market.